dun, 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 at the car wash.
Hey, Darren. We're at the car wash?
It'll be good. Lots of fun. You can see it all up here now. What happens? All the brushes. Like when I scrub your bum when you're in the bathtub. The brushes are gonna scrub the car. Nice and clean. You wanted to come. You asked for the car wash. Didn't he ask for the car wash?
Yes.
Yeah. Look at all the colors. Look, it'll come up here. All the different colors. What color? Blue, 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 blue. I want to see blue. Where's the blue? There's a blue. There's a blue. Orange, pink.
Yep. Daddy, if we roll the windows down.
Yeah, you want to roll the windows down?
No,
Sure,
Daddy, if we roll the windows down, the noise that will get and the water will get inside.
That's right. It's not as loud like the other car. The other car was loud. This isn't so loud.
See, Darren, it's okay. Hold
Here it
Daddy's hand.
comes.
Hold Daddy's hand.
Here it comes up here. Look. 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 There's the brushes.
Scrub the bum.
Scrub it. Get the dirty off. Get it off. And now we rinse. See, everything's okay. No water got in. No water got in.
Now we're going to dry it.
It's like a hairdryer. See, watch all the water go off. It'll all run away. No more water. It's all gone.
No, it's not quiet.
That's right. Because he knows that there's nothing going on. It's just a car wash.
And we're done.